Hi you all, good morning. It is Mother's Day. How exciting. So you all can see I have my fruits out. So can anyone guess what we're making? If you thought a smoothie bowl, you are right. So these are pretty much all the ingredients you'll need for a smoothie bowl. I have all of my toppings here, which is mint. If you can eat nuts, you should get some nuts, dark chocolate, some cacao, dark chocolate. We have coconut shreds, strawberries, cantaloupes, and then mango. Whatever toppings you like is what you put on your smoothie bowl. You want a little crunch with the nuts, so if you can't eat nuts, probably use granola or something like that. And of course, I showed you have to gut out your cantaloupe. I didn't do my. It's not. You won't see it, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And then need some sort of smoothie. Okay. So now that we have our smoothie together, I just finished the smoothie that I like, or that she particularly likes. So it's simple. You would take your smoothie, so simple, and you're gonna pour it into your bowl. Make sure you don't overflow your bowl because you still have to put toppings. Alright guys, so you have your smoothie in your bowl. Makes sense, right? We're just gonna add our toppings. So what I like to go with first are the color contrast. So I'll start with the little cantaloupe, and then you can just place them. Don't be rough when you're adding them in. You can add just a couple cantaloupes for the color contrast. Then you could throw your strawberries in there. We have them on the outskirts. I like to leave the mango like this on the side for the aesthetic. Some people like to take the mango slices. You can do that as well. So you could just add like a few mango slices if you want. So we'll add another mango there. Now we're gonna go in with our chocolate and nuts. And now like the colors are just all starting to balance one another. So that's the point of picking a variety of colors. That way everything doesn't just look the same on the bowl. You want it to look bright and beautiful. So taking a little bit of our nuts and spreading them around. You don't need too much nuts, but just enough. It's always better to like crunch up your walnuts so they spread out more. Then we'll go in with our coconut. Want just another aesthetic with your mango, you can do the smaller one, but you could always just plug it right. You need something green to brighten it back up. You'll take some of your mix. There you guys go, smoothie bowl with Imani.